shop. Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
First up, we got a giraffe puppet.
What? So cute.
A pink dimple. A duck.
Oh my god.
A papoose.
My favorite.
A fried puppet.
What?
A baby Yoda puppet. A corn stress
So
ball.
realistic.
A mango stress ball.
Whoa.
A turtle stress
My
ball.
favorite.
A DNA stress
So
ball.
cute.
A large wacky track. An octopus spinner.
So unique.
A tie-dye fidget spinner.
What?
And I also got a panda dimple and a star dimple.
Oh my god.
Make sure to check out the shop.
Oh my god, Ma. Don't move. Don't move.
What happened?
There's the
What
rat.
happened?
There's
Oh
the
my
rat.
god, where?
In front of me. Right in front of me.
Where?
No, don't move. Don't move. In front of me.
Where? Where's the rat? Where's the rat?
In front.
Where?
Oh my god. Look, Ma. Look at the rat.
Throw yourself, no!
Damn, Ma. You look ugly.
Stop it first! You name it, I have it.
A cupcake.
Let's see. It should be somewhere around here. Let's see. Found it. Next one.
A dinosaur?
Let's check. It's not here. It should be here. Found it.
Ma, what about a teddy bear?
Let's check. It should be here. Found it.
Oh my god.
Next one.
A jumbo needle.
Let's check. Okay, let's check. Found it.
Oh my god. A butterfly.
Or puppet.
Bow.
Okay. Let's check. Here's the butterfly puppet. And let's see. Here's the dimple.
Oh my god. Mao, I bet you don't have a puppet back there.
What? Yes, I do. Watch.
No, you don't.
It's right here.
Oh my god. Mao, but do you even have the Fern Mouth bundle?
It literally comes with 7 fidget toys.
It's so cute. Hey, Mao, what are you doing?
Nothing, play with my fidgets.
Mao, let's make a
What
deal.
is it?
I'll trade you these needle dojis for all of your fidgets.
Deal.
Okay.
Let's open these and see what we got.
Let's go.
First one. Let's see what
my
we get.
God.
Okay, let's see.
Hurry up.
Okay, let's see. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh my god. Next one, Mao.
Okay, let's see. What do we get?
Oh my god.
Such a mystery. Okay, let's see.
Whoa.
Let's see. Well, we get a different one. Okay, this one. Let's see. Let's see. What would it be? Okay, let's see. Oh my god.
Next one.
Okay, let's see. This one. Let's see what it is.
What color will it be?
I
think it's
ready?
blue.
1, 2, and oh my god! And the cool thing about the needle dojis is that you get to switch them all around and make whatever color combinations you want.
That's so cool. Should we open more? Hey, Mom, whatever you catch, you get to keep. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Here we go.
Oh my god! Oh no! I missed one! Oh no! Woo! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo!
You suck!
Oh my god! Yay! I made one! No! Oh my god! Woohoo! Yes! Oh no! Oh my god! Ah no! Oh no!
Whoa!
This is everything that I got!
Whoa!
Hey Charlie, we see that you love fidget toys.
A advent
We
calendar.
would love
This
to
one
send
is
you
fidget
fidgets
toys.
from our shop.
So let's start with number
Everyone please
one.
tag Charlie
We
in the
got
comments.
Rainbow puppets. Okay. Number 2, we got one of these things. Number 3, oops, I can't get this one up. We got, ooh, pretty colors. This thing. Very fun. Number 4, we got a little worm. Number 5, a little bear. Next video. Why is my eye red?
fidget toy advent calendar. Let's go.
There's 24 fidgets. Let's see what we get. Day 1.
A tango. Day 2, let's see what we get. A monkey noodle. Day 3, let's see what we got for day 3. Woohoo!
Day 4. Let's see.
Oh my god!
So cool. Day 5. Let's see what we get. So cool. Look at Santa Claus.
Day 6, let's see what we get. Oh my god, a marble mesh. Day 7, let's see what we get. A fidget box. Day 8, let's see what we get. Another one. Day 9, let's see what we get. Woohoo!
Day 10. Oh my god.
Woohoo! You got a mini snack.
So tiny. 11. Oh, no way.
Oh my god, a pop and bracelet.
Day 12. I wonder what it is.
Oh my god. It's a cheeseburger.
13.
Oh my god, it's an avocado. Day 14, let's see what we get.
No way.
A wagon track. Day 15, let's see. Oh my god.
Pink.
Day 16, let's see what we get. Oh my god, it's a pumpkin.
Oh my god. Day 17. Day 18.
Oh my god, acupressure ring.
I got 2.
Day 19, let's see what we get. Oh my god.
Oh, so cute.
Day 20, let's see what we get. Another monkey noodle.
So cute.
21 is a sneak peek of 22. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Okay. Day 22, let's see what it was. Oh my god.
23.
What is it?
A keychain. Last but not least. Whoa.
Oh my god. This is everything we got, and we sell these fidget advent calendars on our shop.
And they're on sale right now.
It's not the vibes.
Put our finger down, fidget toy edition. And if you're a fidget creator, feel free to use this sound. Put a finger down if you have a pop-it. Put a finger down if you have any kind of simple dimple. Put a finger down if you have a mesh ball. Put a finger down if you have a Nido. Put a finger down if you have a wacky track or snake. Put a finger down if you have any type of tangle. Put a finger down if you have any kind of fidget cube. Put a finger down if you have an infinity cube. Put a finger down if you have any kind of slime, dough, or putty. And lastly, put a finger down if you love fidget toys.
Keep or trash? Trash. Next one? Trash. Next up? Trash. Keep or trash? Keep. Keep or trash? Trash. Keep or trash? Keep. Keep or trash? Trash. Keep or trash? Trash. Keep or trash? Keep. Keep or trash? Trash. Keep or trash? Trash. Keep or trash? Keep. 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 Keep or trash? Trash. Look at all this trash. Is it fidget or food?
That's a mango for sure.
No, fidget.
What?
Is it fidget or food?
Miles, that's a poppy.
Yeah, pop it. Is it fidget or food?
That's corn. That's a real corn.
Let's see. No, fidget.
What?
Is it fidget or food?
Miles, that's a banana. That's,
No, fidget.
What?
Is it fidget or food?
That's fidget.
Let's see. No, food.
Ooh.
Is it fidget or food?
That's a real cupcake.
No, fidget.
What? I can't even tell.
Is this fidget or food?
Miles, that's a fidget. It's a stress ball.
No. Hey, bye, friend.
Mom, what do you have on?
What do you mean?
What do you have on?
A jacket.
No, behind you.
Where?
In your backpack.
Oh, it's my keychain.
Your keychain?
Yeah.
Mom, those fidgets are bigger than you.
No, they're not.
No, take them off right
No, they're
now.
not. They're from
That's
the
so
Fern Mouse
embarrassing.
Shop link in our bio.
Make sure to go subscribe to the Fern Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.
Check out our shop, fernmouseshop.com. Link in the description. Love you. Bye.